Atlanta.com. Carriage Kia in Gainesville and Woodstock. No one beats our deals and service. And hey, stop by Carriage Kia Gainesville on September 22nd for our Kids Football Challenge. 7 a.m. till noon. And remember, you can visit 24/7 online at carriagekia.com.
He had a lot of social issues, a lot of sensory issues. His skin was too sensitive, and it was screamed and yelled. Struggling socially, struggling academically. It was really hard. It's terrifying and devastating because you want to help your child and you don't have the tools to do it yourself. I was desperate, but wanted to give her an honest try. There's no words to describe how exciting it is to find something that can help your kid when they're struggling. It gave us a direction to take. The changes we saw after Ray Reynolds were amazing, practicing at home. It gave us a direction to take. I am recommend Ray Reynolds to anyone.
Your child achieve success all summer long. Call Brain Balance today and get a jump start in your child's next school year. Make a real difference in the life of your child and your family. Call today.
Unlike homeowners, selling your home shouldn't be a hassle. Ditch the listings, showings, and months of waiting with OpenDoor. Visit OpenDoor.com to request a free no-obligation offer for your home. If you're happy with the offer, OpenDoor will purchase your home to save you the hassle of listing. No showings, no open houses, no hassles, and we decide when you buy cars. Every OpenDoor offer is based on your home's unique features and is reviewed by Atlanta real estate experts with decades of experience, so you can trust that your offer is fair. More than 7,000 of your neighbors already requested a free no-obligation offer from OpenDoor. Here's what they had to say.
OpenDoor made it so simple to sell your apartment. With just a few clicks, it was done.
I've sold 6 houses in the last 20 years here. I would be hard-pressed to say how many people can about that.
Your offer is waiting at OpenDoor.com. That's OpenDoor.com, the hassle-free way to sell your home in Atlanta. OpenDoor is represented by Owner Georgia Brokerage LLC, licensed real estate brokerage in the state of Georgia. Customers will be compensated for the call. Opinions are not.
Can we get a pet focus filter? No, can I put polka dots in your car? No, Max. Can we go to McDonald's? Yes. Yes, we can. Sometimes kids have the best ideas.
With favorites like 4-piece chicken McNuggets and fries, and wholesome choices like apple slices and low-fat white milk, it's easy to say yes to McDonald's $3 Happy Meal. Price and participation may vary, cannot be combined with any other offer.
Experience the four horsemen of Revelation chapter 6 as a sovereign God unleashes his judgment on the inhabitants of the earth. Tribulation Trail, Fridays and Saturdays in October, the first weekend of November. For more information, go to tribulationtrail.com. That's tribulationtrail.com.
Food for the Hungry presents Toby Mac's Hits Deep Tour. Featuring Jeremy Camp, Jordan Feliz, Ryan Stevenson, We Are Messengers, and Aaron Cole for Hits Deep 2019. February 16th at Infinite Energy Arena in Duluth. Tickets are available starting Friday at 10 a.m. And you can use the offer code INSIDER to save 20% on all tickets through Sunday night at TobyMac.com. Another awakening event from the Awakening Foundation.
This is a shout out to the professional tailgaters, game day grillers, and
For fun.
You made
that stuff that they even sell ain't working like it should. But I damn sure wish it would.
drowns the